Hi guys, so as promised last time, here I am taking you around Banjara Market, which is located in Sector 56, Gurgaon. So when you enter the market, there is a plethora of ceramics that you can see. From plates to serving bowls to storage bowls, cups, soup bowls, name it and you have it there. These cups that you see start around 30 to 40 rupees per piece. It totally depends on how well you can bargain and how well you can set your price. Overall, I actually loved the collection. It's very different from what you get in and around Delhi. Next, we moved on to another stall where I really wanted to buy these tiny mugs and cups. So the mug that I'm picking right here was priced at 85. That's what the lady selling this told me, and I got it for a deal of 50 rupees per mug. These are big, huge coffee mugs, and I got them in 4 colors. I also picked up a few cups, the indigo blue ones that you see in the basket. I like these ones as well, but I wanted a little color in my kitchen. The small mugs were again priced at rupees 25 per piece. Originally they quoted like 180 for 6 pieces, and I got it for a deal of 150 for 6 pieces, which is around 26 rupees per piece. Then moving on, when it comes to furnishing, again there is a lot of variety in Banjara Market. I absolutely love these puffs, and the carpets are amazing. Always remember one key rule, that whatever the price you are quoted, the actual price is always less than half of it. For example, this stool was barely priced at rupees 600 or 700, but it was really very sturdy. I also love these frames. There are a lot of knickknacks that you'll find in Banjara Market that can actually beautify your home, like these antique tables, storage cupboards, and they have a very vintage antique feel. So I guess these were like 6 to 8,000 per piece, but again it depends on how well you could have bargained. I love this table. And even the decorative pieces that you see hanging in the line, I actually wanted these for Amira's room, but I was very unsure of what colors would go through. But these are again made of a mixture of cardboard and wood, and would look really nice. This storage unit right here was priced at rupees 4,500, but again could have gone down if I bargained. These were rupees 150 per piece, but I know if I wanted to buy it, I could have got it at a much cheaper price. There is a lot of variety again of vases, and also there is an infinite variety of mirrors in every possible shape, size, that look very pretty in your home. You can place it anywhere in your bedroom, in your living room, even bathroom mirrors are there. And again, there are a lot of candle stands, like vintage candle stands, mostly hand carved of wood, and key stands, key hangers I mean. I also have taken this tree. This was again priced at rupees 600, but we got it for 400, I guess. Every possible thing that you can think of that can actually make your home look pretty and cozy, you'll find it here. Just like these tables that you see, I really wanted to buy these, but there was no space in the car where we could carry it back to Delhi, so we skipped it. But I'm definitely coming back to buy these. I absolutely loved, they had like sturdy marble tops, so these would make very nice side tables. Again, this lamp was priced at rupees 4,500, but we could have gotten a good deal if we really wanted to buy it. But again, because of the lack of space in our car, we had kids with us, so we couldn't carry it to Delhi this time. But next time I'm definitely buying this. You can see the variety of lamps that they have, and you'll find similar stuff on a lot of shops. it just depends on where you get a good deal and you can buy it from there. Again, for mugs, there is every possible design, texture on mugs that you would want, for plates, mugs. And I really like the ceramics from here. I've been using it since 6 months already. I got a dinner set. I really like these ones as well, but there was a limit to how much I could carry back. So next time, hopefully. But yes, there are a lot of platters as well, serving platters for snacks and everything. These mugs right here are the ones I picked up. This shop was really amazing, and the lady was very sweet enough to bargain, and she told me, I don't even want to set a price for you. You can buy it at whatever you feel is a good price. And that really impressed me. I always like to experiment with different colors and different designs of mugs in my kitchen, and indigo blue is one of my favorite colors. I love it, and you can see the rainbow of colors that comes with these ceramic ware and how beautiful it looks. I'm actually on a spree of decluttering all the steel and plastic for my kitchen and replacing it with glass or ceramic. So these are soup bowls that I really liked, and I've been looking for one since a very long time, and I really like these, and I got them for, these were quoted to me for 100 rupees per piece. I got 2 for 100. Pastel shades are one of my favorite shades, and crockery in these shades just look very pretty. And so apart from all the furnishing, ceramics, you will also find certain shops that have wooden frames and small decorative items that can spice up any wall, any dull wall in your home. And the prices are so cheap, like you get them for 20-30 rupees. I also wanted to buy these doormats. There are obviously rugs, and then there's doormats that come in every possible color and shape and texture. I also loved the cushions that you see here, but I couldn't find a proper pair that I liked. Then we moved on to have a look at some side tables, and the tables that you see here were priced at rupees 1000, but they can easily go down to 500. And these are again double up as storage as well. These are plant holders, wooden recliners, lamps, lamp shades. You can even get lamp shades alone if you want for like 300-350 bucks. The lamps were very pretty, and the stand that you see here, my friend got this to keep a few planters. We got a very good deal. We got it for 500 bucks, and the shades that you see here that I was mentioning were priced at rupees 400-450, but again, so this thing was very pretty and interesting. It was a vegetable holder. Then there was this shop which really attracted us, and we went right into it and saw beautiful decorative lights, vases, and every possible decorative item that you can think of. And they were like really cheap at this particular shop. And these small jewelry storage, Previously as well, I've picked up this beautiful framed mirror from Banjara in white color, but I wanted a smaller one in a rectangle shape for my bedroom to hang it above my bed. And the one that you see right in front, yeah, this one, I got it in a wooden, proper wooden shade, and I got it for 600, and it was actually priced at 2000, which was like way higher, but yes, I got it for 600, which is again excellent. The glass used is of very good quality, and you can see they come in like different colors, and these particular mirrors have a lot of scope for bargaining because they are present at almost every shop in Banjara market, so there's a lot of competition when it comes to prices. There are these storage baskets that you could use in your kitchen or your cupboard, side tables again, and these cute serveware, wooden serveware that was shaped like a pineapple, and you could store maybe dry fruits or anything to serve in these. They looked very pretty. These metal vases, and they were like very sturdy again. My friend picked this up for her place, and I absolutely love this mirror. There would be a glass top that would go on top of this. Then there's a lot of balcony or garden furniture with wrought iron and wood, and it is very sturdy and strong. And this here is the exact mirror that I picked up in the center that you see. And again, there was this something new that I discovered this time, which was macrame mirrors, which are a trend on Instagram right now. I really hope you enjoyed this trip to Banjara market with me. Stay tuned because a haul is coming up super soon.